Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to the Makers Creative Collab Hop. And it's hosted by Patricia and Mariah of PM artistStudio. And this month's theme is See Me You See. So for my project, I just made it into like a sea or a beachy kind of theme. I just made a beachy themed journal. And so I've used a combination of different things. I used a doily, I used some of this moss, different, for my patinas I've got like broken jewelry, and then I've just got like different fabrics and things like that. And I also used a couple of digitals in here. One of them, the main digital that the book is primarily made from, is it's a digital printable paper, Cloudy Seaside, deep blues and grays, and it's from PM artistStudio. And now, when I was printing some of the stuff out of here, my printer was working fine at first, and then I started running out of color. So some of the elements or pages that you might see inside of here are really supposed to have blue, but they printed out brown because I started running out of ink. But I don't like to waste things, so I just kept it. So yeah, I've used the Cloudy Seaside digital. I've used some digitals off of Canva, and then there's a turtle in here that I used from a Patron freebie off of the Sweet Spot Alicia, and I'll show you as I get to it. So this is the cover, and so like I said, you've got the doily here and a little bit of moss, and we've got us a little pocket right here. And then, and this is PM artistStudio, PM artistStudio, PM artistStudio. And basically this right here was like a whole thing, but I just made like a little hole, a little slit here, and then turned it into like a little pocket. And then on Canva, I just went and created the See Me You See. And then I got the cheesecloth, and I added some paper behind here, did a little stitching. And this book measures, it measures approximately 6.5 by 9.5 with, it has kind of a curvy 2-inch spine, roughly. And so I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. And my, here's the little, what do you call it? Tassel-like thingy. Like I said, I just used some broken jewelry, and it's got an elastic binding, 2 signatures. This is what it looks like from that angle. And then this is the back. And if you wanted, you could actually kind of use this as like a little pocket. And if you open this up, this kind of resembles like a seashell. And the blues and things that are on this doily is what I used when I was jelly printing some of my pages, and I used the doily as like a print. So yeah, this is what I use on some of my jelly print pages inside. And the book has a total of 88 pages. It has 2 signatures, and both of them are removable. So let's just go ahead and open it up. And it opens like so. And we have like a little mermaid. I made this little tag, and I just clipped it on using this little camera-shaped paper clip. And I made like a little mermaid journal card. It's double-sided. And if you look closely, so don't laugh too hard, I printed a picture of myself, which I ended up having to edit it a whole lot. And but yeah, I made myself into a little mermaid. See me, you see? And I just added just a few little cutouts that I got from Canva, and I fussy cut those out, added some glossy accents to a lot of these. Gave myself some little fake mermaid hair. Added some just different fabrics and a button and little feathers and some cheesecloth. And the paper that I used on here, this is what I had jelly printed. And I have a TikTok video on some of those. But yeah, so that's that. And then we have, this is a pocket right here. This is a pocket. And on this one right here, I just added some fabric. And this is another piece of the doily that I had used when I was jelly printing. And I liked that end result of the colors that remained on the doily. So I kept it like that. And then, so this is a pocket here. And then it flips over. It starts our first signature. And this is a pocket. Now, this is one of the pages that I was telling you about. I printed this out on vellum, but this was supposed to be blue, but that's when my printer started acting up, and it, for some reason it printed brown, and a few of these in here did that. And so here's like a little notepad, a little journaling spot, and this is also from my jelly printed papers. And then we have a little tuck spot right here, and some more journaling space. And you could use this as a tuck spot. And this right here is also a tuck spot down in here. And you have some more journaling space, and then almost everything in here is coffee dyed. And then you have some coffee dyed, this is either parchment paper or wax paper, I can't remember. And then you have another jelly print, and then some more coffee dyed paper, journaling space. And then this right here is a little pocket right here. And this is another paper that's from artistStudio, and this was also supposed to print out with blue, but I don't know why my printer does its own little thing. So, and then this is you have a little journaling spot. You have a little envelope, tuck space there, and then here's some more of my little jelly printed paper. And then you have a little tuck spot right here. And you have a belly band here. And basically with this right here, all I did was just take an old book page, some lace and cheesecloth, and just kind of collaged it on here. So then the next page, you have another little journals pocket right here. And then another journal space, journal space, journal space. You have some more journaling space, more journaling space, journaling space. And there's plenty of that in here. And these, the signatures, I had stitched them, so they're kind of, let's see. Okay, this is removable. Let me get to the center of it. Like I stitched it right here. So this side of it is not quite as flexible as this side for some reason. But yeah. So you have a tuck spot right here. And then you have a tuck spot here. And then you have a tuck spot here. And once again, this was on vellum and this was on vellum. Two different sheets. Both of these were supposed to have blue, but I don't like to waste anything, so I just kept it. And here's another one of those little notepads that I made using my jelly prints. And this right here is a tuck spot right here. Tuck something right there. and tuck something there. And then you have some more journaling space. This opens up like that, and this tucks down in there. And then we have this. It's kind of like it's supposed to be like a boat shaped journal storage spot. So you can put, it's a tuck spot here, and then you can tuck something down in these little pockets right here. And then here are the little seashells where I added the glossy accents, and I created this little fake rope using some jute and twine, and then added some cheesecloth, and did the same thing over here, and kind of created like a little collage of stuff, little cluster of stuff actually. And then this is what it looks like on the back, and then this is a pocket here, and then this is a pocket right here as well. And it's the same right here. You have a pocket here, and then you have a pocket right here. And so we have that. And then this is a pocket here. You have more journaling space. More journaling space, journaling space, journaling space. This right here opens up. And then you have a tuck spot right here. And some journaling space. This here is a pocket. And then you have more journaling space. Then you have like another little pocket. More journaling space. And then you have another one of those little book page belly bands that has the feather and button and stuff like that. And then you have your little tuck spot right here. More journaling space, and then you have another little tuck spot here. Journaling, journaling, journaling space, journaling space. You have a little pocket right here. Journaling space, journaling space, journaling space. And you could tuck something down in there if you like. Journaling space. Have another pocket. And then this is also a little pocket right here too. And then that's the end of the two signatures. And then we have this cute little turtle. And this is the turtle that I had gotten from where Bakers and Crafters meet. No, the Sweets by Alicia on her Patreon channel. That's where I got this cute little turtle. And then this is going to open up like that. And then you have a tuck spot here, here, and then here. And here's another one of those little double-sided tags. And then here, I did some doodling. And I just wanted to kind of give it like bubbles kind of look. So this opens up like that, and it's a magnetic closure. That opens up, and you have like a little pocket here, a little pocket here. I did some more doodling here. And then this flips open also. And these two are magnetic. Pocket here. This opens up, and then you have a little tuck spot here. Tuck spot here. And then the tuck spot here. And then here's another one of those tags that I made with, similar to how I made this one, but I just didn't add all the extras on there. But yeah, this one was also made using one of my jelly prints. And it's double-sided, and it's soft. And I decided to take, I printed out two little letter C's, and then I turned them into little eyeballs. So, see me, you see. So this is basically pretty much it. So make sure you check out the rest of the YouTubers and non-YouTubers, and I'll have a link up in the corner for the next video. So follow along on the hop and check out the Makers Creative Collab. the Makers of Mixed Media Art and Artists. That's the Facebook group that's hosted by artistStudio. And there's a lot of talent in there, all kinds of different forms of art, from jelly prints to journals to canvases to all sorts of fun mixed media things. It's a very fun environment. So go check them out. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos and my blog and my social media sites. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching.